Oh my
Wow,
goodness.
that's very nice.
The Honda Pilot دي ستيفن.
What's going on, guys? Today is a very special day for us because behind us is our dad's new car that he has no idea about. So our parents flew back to Egypt. They had family matters that they had to attend to. And so when my dad left, he had a 2016 Honda Pilot with, very high mileage. The transmission was moving up and down. The converter felt like it was going out. It had a bunch of engine lights, and that car was just on its last legs. And before he left, he kind of hinted that he wanted a new car, but he didn't really want to put anything on us. I think he was honestly just asking us to kind of look around for him. Little does he know, we posted his car for sale and it sold literally the next day. So what we did was take the money that we got from his car, add a little bit of our own, and we are able to get this for him. He really loved his Pilot, but it was just getting old and everything inside of it was kind of outdated. And here we have a 2022 Honda Pilot. And not only is it a Pilot, but it's an elite all-wheel drive. And if you guys know anything about these cars, that's literally the top level trim on these things. It has Apple CarPlay, it has the all-wheel drive system. Literally anything you could ask for is in this car. So we're really excited. It is a clean title, so he won't have to worry about anything like that. He's always been iffy about rebuilds and stuff, so we made sure we got him a clean one, but it's got a little bit of damage, and hopefully we can get it wrapped up in this video. We already purchased everything that we need to get this thing back on the road. It's unable to get off the trailer because one of the axle broke, so we're actually going to fix the car on the trailer and hopefully be able to drive it off, and then it'll be good to go. I think the only reason this car was really the way we got it was because the airbags deployed. Already got those in, so we're gonna get this car driving, take it to the airbag guys, have them reset everything, and then it'll be good to go. Our plan is to surprise him with this car when he gets back. They are landing at an airport that's a couple hours away, so we still don't know if we're gonna take this car and surprise him with it there, or if we pick him up in our own cars and then have this waiting for him here. But either way, we're gonna get a crazy reaction from him. He has no idea we pulled off any of this, but I think it's gonna make for a really good video. First, let's take you guys through the damage and kind of show you what's all going on with this car.
Okay, to start off, here's the main problem that we're dealing with right now. This part of the suspension, okay? If you come over here and you take a look, the axle is completely ripped in half. That control arm, that lower control arm is also bent up, and this wheel is just completely destroyed. And then unfortunately, I think this wheel bashed back on the fender a little bit and kind of bent it out a little bit. But it doesn't look too bad.
Yeah, I think we could definitely get that put back into place. Once we'll unbutton everything, get the wheel out of there, and then be able to kind of put the fender back where it belongs.
Yeah, but essentially we're hoping that we could just pull it right into place. Walking around the car, everything so far looks very good. Paint looks like it's perfect. Coming up front, this trim piece seems like it came off, but luckily if you take a closer look, all of these clips look like they are still intact. So if we just do a little bit of maneuvering and a little bit of elbow grease, we'll be able to get it right back on. But other than that, cosmetically, this thing looks perfect. Now we're gonna get this thing jacked up so that we can get it off the trailer and back on the driveway. All right, once we started turning the wheel so that we can, get some more room to jack it up, the entire car started to roll back. So now this is our little conundrum to get it pulled back in. Oh, good, keep coming. Oh, wow. The whole car is moving, but the wheel isn't moving. Yo! Yeah, I guess keep coming. I don't want to cause more damage. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now we're gonna get it jacked up.
Guys, the ball joint completely broke apart. So this piece right here, the ball joint connects up right here, and it should be down here. So completely broke off, but it may have just saved us a whole lot of damage, because I think the tie rod might be okay. No, it might be bent unless it's supposed to look like that. Oof. All right, well, we'll get everything that we have put on, and then we'll deal with the stuff that we need to fix after.
out of daylight, but thankfully we got everything wrapped up. We got the spare tire on. Now my brother's hooking up the jump box and we're gonna get it started and off the trailer.
We'll get this thing wrapped up tomorrow, but huge milestone. We got it off the trailer. We got it driving. Honestly, there's not much left for this thing.
It's the next day. We got the airbags replaced and the airbag modules reset. And now all we've got to do is tackle the exterior, okay? So we ended up getting this brand new wheel with a tire on it that we're gonna put on to get rid of that spare. And then we also got this bumper that we're gonna tackle and try to get it all fixed up. Yeah, but I mean, it's looking like we'll probably get it done today, and then we'll be able to give it a good little wash so we can get it ready for Dad, and she'll be good to go.
Yep. I'm really excited for his
Dude,
reaction.
I can't wait. He's gonna be so happy. His old car, oh my gosh, that thing was a piece of crap, bro. So when he sees this thing, he's gonna be so happy. So let's get started.
All right, guys, we got the front bumper all squared away. Was a lot more tedious than we had expected, but it looks pretty good for what it is. I mean, it's not perfect, but I think that's pretty decent enough for not having to replace anything. Honda's put bolts in places where they don't belong. Lots of broken bolts, but honestly, from what it looked like, they weren't even doing anything. So bumper's all wrapped up now. We're gonna head over to the driver's side of the car and see if we can fix that fender. Hopefully we can get it close to good, and then that should be it. All right, guys, we have wrapped up the Pilot. We've got the front bumper trim pieces on. We actually adjusted the fender and everything worked out great. It was just a bent bracket at the bottom, and we put it back into place, and it looks amazing. Check it out, guys. There's the bumper. All the trim pieces are put back together, and then the fender looks so much better. We're getting the wheel tightened on right now, and then finally the final touch here. There we go. So this thing is finally complete, and our dad comes home literally tomorrow, so we're gonna get this thing cleaned up. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get a giant bow for it. We're gonna park it right in the middle, and then we're gonna go pick him up in our own car and then get his reaction as he pulls up to the house. So stay tuned, guys. It's about to be a really good reaction, and well, it's tomorrow for us, but it's the next clip for you guys.
كنت بتعرف ايه تاني غير عارف اللي كنت بقولها
صح
وحط لنا كريسماس.
Surprise.
Oh my
wow
goodness.
that's very nice
The Honda Pilot دي ستيفن.
Yeah. Where's my chase?
Wow.
let me see Steve let me see
Wow.
Take it quickly.
This is nice.
that's very nice
Which year دي ستيفن؟
2022. Yeah.
ايه هو ده؟ يعني
يعني اعلى حاجه فول اوبشن لا تحفه برافو عليك
Thank you.
برافو عليكم
Have you seen it? Have you seen the inside? No, she opened it.
عليها كم مايل دي؟
80?
اوه. Family car. يا عشان لو الحين ذاك اللون بتاعه. Good job يا أخوان. Thank you.
Literally, with the bag still in the car. Thanks for watching, guys.